All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So fill in. So to fill in, to put things into something. So like putting this, we're going to fill in the cup, fill in the document, fill in the papers, fill in the questions. Fill in the questions. Can you help me fill in the document? Will they fill it in with me? Will they fill it in with me? Yeah, not so sure. Oh, yeah, it depends. I will fill the report in. Do you know how to fill? Do you know how to fill in this document? Do you know how to fill in this document? Depends. They want to fill in the report too. Yeah, he thinks he knows how to fill it in, but the questions aren't as easy as they appear. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. I thought you filled it all in. I thought you filled all the answers in. See, I thought you filled all the answers in. Maybe you missed some. Maybe you missed some. Yeah. I know how to fill in this document. Don't worry. Don't worry, yeah. She will fill in the report after me. Yeah. How cool is that? I am planning to fill it in soon. Yeah. It has to wait a while before we can fill it in and submit it. Submit it, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. When will they fill it all in? Fill it all in. You see, because these documents need to be filled in by someone that knows what they are doing. See, they need to fill it in. Well, I can't do it, so they need to fill it in. I can't do it, so he needs to fill it in. He knows the information and answers. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, so fill in, to put information onto a piece of paper, to write it down, to fill in the questions, fill in the boxes, fill in the numbers. Fill in the questions with the right answer. Fill in the boxes with the colours, with the right colours. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so fill in, to put things into something else. Yeah. Fill in the bowl, fill in the bucket, fill in the hole. Can you fill in the document? Can you fill in the hole? Fill in, what can you fill? Can you fill in the bucket? Maybe. Yeah. Can you fill in the bucket? What if you fill in the hole? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So can you use fill in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy when you search my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.